Hi, I'm Jonathan, your virtual tutor. I will be guiding you through this exercise today. In this tutorial we are going to give you the basics about employee time management. Time management allows a business to track the employees' hours and positions they have worked. During the various steps of this process you may be prompted with confirmation and informational dialogues. Please read the messages and proceed accordingly. First, let us clock in. Please press the clock in and out button. Enter your login code. If you are an employee that has multiple positions, you will be prompted to pick the position that you are currently clocking in for. The confirmation dialog will display the employee's name who just clocked in and the current time of this operation. Now, let us clock out. Please press the clock in and out button. Enter your login code. If your position receives tips, you will be prompted to enter your cash tips. The confirmation dialog will display the employee's name who just clocked out and other payroll information. Thank you for watching this tutorial on time management. Please visit Precision Classroom to view all of our tutorials.